Cheers.
There we go.
Wow, it looks so interesting.
This is the baked one, and these without sesame. Those are the pan-sealed ones.
This is
going to
health
try.
all the way, healthy. What does it have
Vegetarian.
inside? Okay,
So
good.
vegan. Yes.
So I'm going to
Cheers.
cheers.
After the couple
I like it.
stick rice.
Yeah, I like it more with sesame.
You should just double dip. Okay, you're gonna have to finish this all right now.
Too busy to eat.
So you forgot you double dip.
I double dip because I was too busy to eat. Oh, I'm talking the rhymes.
Yeah.
I double dip because I was too busy to eat.